Hello and welcome to Small Basic Programming. To begin, computer programming is defined as the process of creating computer software using programming languages. It's just like the way we speak English or French. Computers can understand programs written in certain languages, and these languages are called programming languages. We will be using SmallBasic to write computer programs to give the computer instructions. Let's start out with a quick tour of the SmallBasic environment. Here we have the editor. This is where we will actually write the code that gives the computer instructions to do specific things. Up here we have the toolbar, and we will use the toolbar to issue commands either to the active editor or to the environment. And then this area here, this blue area, is called the surface, and it's the place where all the editor windows go. So let's begin by creating our first program. I want you to type into the editor the text that you see here. Go ahead and pause the video and type in this text now. Now that you typed in this text, make sure that you type it exactly the way you see it. Now, once you're sure that you've typed it in correctly, I want you to come up here to the toolbar and click on Run. And when you click Run, this screen will appear, and if you did it correctly, you will see Hello World. And it then instructs you to press any key to continue. So let's do that. Let's talk about this code that we've typed in. This code consists of three distinct parts: text window, write line, and hello world. The dot and the parentheses and the quotes here are all punctuations that have to be placed at appropriate positions in our statement for the computer to understand what we want it to do. Just like we would write a sentence in a letter. Let's break it down a little bit more, because this line basically tells the computer to write hello world to the screen. Now, if you can remember, you saw that the black window just pop up when you clicked Run. Well, that's what the text window command basically tells the computer to do, to open up a text window. And then, of course, the period separates the commands, so it's just like two sentences. And then the write line command is what tells the computer to write hello world onto the screen. Let's play with this code a little bit. Let's go in and remove hello world using the backspace key. And I'm going to say something different like Jeff is really cool. Now you can substitute any words that you would like, but change Hello World to something else and click the Run button. And we get whatever we've put inside of the quotes. So let's try a couple of more changes here. I'm going to say programming is cool too. And click Run. And of course, the computer does exactly what we instruct it to. I want you to take some time to play with this for the next few minutes, and we will move on to the next tutorial. Thank you.